Hello. In this tutorial, we will create a quick model with Elephanta. Once you log in, we will see the projects available. Click on the project and it will take you to the flow. As this is a new project, we can see it empty. Let's create a new dataset by uploading a CSV file. We select a file from Computer, choose Parameters and click on Get Fields button. Let's click on Create and we can see that dataset is loading. Refresh and we can see that dataset is successfully loaded. Click on Dataset to see the data sample. This data belongs to bank loans. Select the dataset in Flow and go to Statistics page of this dataset. Click on Compute Statistics. On refresh, we can see the stats are computed successfully. We can see the distribution, top values and other stats of each column of the dataset. Now, let us build a model to predict loan default status. We go to Models page of Dataset and create new classification model. Selecting Loan Status field as target as we would like to predict default loans. We can choose features with the help of statistical insights and correlation matrix. Here I am choosing few features for the model. After saving the feature selection, we can select algorithms and hyperparameters. Here I am selecting logistic regression and random forest. Saving the selection and now we can train the model. After refresh we can see the results of algorithms. For each algo, we can see the metrics, top features influencing the model, confusion matrix as this is classification model. We can check the selected features and algo configuration. Can view the prediction data and can quickly predict the outcome for given input. It can be deployed as web service. We have built ML model with Elephanta. Thank you.